Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Education in Contemporary Indian Society. It's a DL ATT first year book of Hindi medium, and it's a book of Government of Himachal Pradesh, bestseller book again of the most trusted publishing firm Vinod Publications. Syllabus is as per the new syllabus pattern. So let's check out this book. First of all, check the syllabus. It's mentioned, Unit 1, India emergence from freedom struggle. Then Unit 2, Constitution of Indian Education. Unit 3, Democracy in India. Unit 4, Indian economy. Now we'll check out the contents, whether the contents match with the syllabus or not. Like Unit 1, India emergence from a freedom struggle. Impact of colonization on Indian society, economy, polity, and then, political aspect, economic aspect, and so on. Let's check whether it was there in syllabus or not. Or in Unit 1 you can check, like in Unit 1, impact of colonization on Indian society, economy, polity, anti-social struggle, and so on, and the institution structure. It's completely there. Now let's check out the Unit 2 contents and mention and verify with syllabus. Like Unit 2, Constitutional of Indian Education, Amendment 42, 43, 46, Constitution Vision of Independent India, Constitution and Education, Concurrent Status of Educational Policy, and so on. And you can check other further subtopics also. Now you can verify it with syllabus, whether it was in syllabus or not, whether it completely mentions or not. Like Unit 2, Constitution Vision of Independent India, 42, 43, 46 Amendment, Constitution and Education, Concurrent status, and so on. You can see the other things which were also there in contents. So now let's check out the Unit 3 of contents. Like Unit 3, Institutional Structure, Center and State. Institutional Structure, Center, State, everything is mentioned in subtopics. Democracy, concept and types. You can say decentralization, Panchayat Raj, and so on. 73 Amendment, 74, Gender, Class, Religion. You can check out with syllabus at Unit 3. So see the Unit 3, Institution Structure, Democracy, Concept, Types, Decentralization, 73, 74, Challenges to Deepen Indian Economy. So now you can check Unit 4 of contents, Indian economy, agriculture economy, key features, land ownership, landless, and then agriculture economy and other subtopics. Then economic development, page numbers mentioned. Then unorganized sector, migrant labor, issue and development of globalization, liberalization, and privatization of economy. You can check out with the syllabus. You can check it out. And Unit 4, you can check aggregation economic, key features, land ownership, landless, agricultural production, then unorganized sector and migrant labor, and last issue and debates of globalization, liberalization, and privatization of economy. So completely you can check. I can completely say that everything was there in syllabus. It's completely there in contents also. Now we have to look at the page numbers and verify it, whether the page numbers given in front of every particular content are this accurate or not. Also, another thing which I would like to mention in this book is that the things are mentioned. The contents are mentioned in both English and Hindi language to make it easy for any kind of reader to understand it, for both English and Hindi readers. Now we have to verify the page numbers. For example, in page 88 we have to check whether right to education is there or not. So let's go to page 88. So right to education is there on page 88. It should be till page 93. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's still page 93. Then another topic, another unit itself started, like you can see. So let's check out one more and then we go further ahead. For example, in Unit 4 we'll check out page 195. Migrant labor should be there. So let's check this out at the last. 195, migrant labor is there. So yes, it's there. So contents are also nicely explained and cover everything of syllabus. And not only that, page numbers are rightly mentioned. Go to any page, find a particular topic, read it. Also, good thing about this book is the topics are highlighted, mentioned. Everything is there in both English and Hindi languages. Main things are highlighted in both English and Hindi, so that to make it easy for both kind of readers, for English and Hindi readers to understand. So if you are a fan of English medium things, you can also buy this book again then. So in the last page of the book, other books of DLED first year Himachal Pradesh books and guest papers are mentioned. You can check them out. and price of the book is just rupees 199.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. It's a very less price compared to the things which are discussed in detail in this book. You can also call them directly at 9218-219-218 and buy this book. It will be available to your location within 3-4 days time. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books. Go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube Vinod Publications, check out other books. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com and check out other books also. Or you can have any query or any complaint regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. It's a very good book. I highly recommend this book at just rupees 199.50 rupees only. You can also buy it at any available bookstore nearby your location. If you want to, you can buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them, or buy it offline from any bookstore of VTD Books. So 199.50 for this Education in Contemporary Indian Society book is a very good price, very reasonable price. I think you should definitely buy this book. I highly recommend it. Must buy this book. It's a great book in the market. Thank you so much.